Hello again. We are back with another episode of Park Hyatt at Home, aka the Super Chef Dad Chronicles. Zoe's at day camp, yay! For this episode, I'm gonna do a quick and easy stir fry that you can make yourself at home when you don't feel like ordering in. It comes together in a flash. There's a couple cool little techniques that you could apply to some other recipes to make your food taste better. And without further ado, let's take it away. Ni hao to Park Hyatt at Home. Whoa! Were you just counting in Mandarin? That was awesome. Adios.
Adios.
So I have sliced top round. Great for stir fry with the chopsticks. If that isn't official, I don't know what is. Top round is a great inexpensive cut. It can be used for a lot of great things, but it has the tendency to get really tough really quickly. So we're gonna do a little cheat that if you don't tell, I won't tell either. We're gonna use baking soda as a tenderizer. 1 teaspoon of baking soda for a ½ cup of water. And I have a little less than a pound of meat here. I'm gonna double that up just so that I have enough liquid. We'll leave the meat to sit in this brine for 15 minutes. That's it. Any more than that, the baking soda is actually going to go ahead and start to cook the meat. It gets a really weird, sort of mushy texture. So 15 minutes, drain it off, give it a rinse, and you're done. Now, I grew up watching cooking shows, and one of the greats that I loved was Martin Yan. Yan can't cook. This is for you, Martin Yan. Chop, 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 chop. Done! I got another little trick for you. If you need a whole bunch of peeled garlic, and you don't want to just buy peeled garlic, which is really not that expensive, and, come on. But here's just a great thing for the kids, not so great for your wife who's working upstairs. Sorry, honey, in advance. We ready? Sorry! Alright, and look at that. Presto magic, peeled garlic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Done! Look what we got for Zoe. Official Hello Kitty chopsticks with a little practice star-shaped. We're doing beef and broccoli. So obviously you need to have broccoli. And we have these great broccoli stems. I'm gonna show you what we're gonna do. Cut off the base. All right, and then just come around any little tough parts. You could use a vegetable peeler for this. We're gonna cut this into a julienne. Pack them up. What I like to do, cut it on the long bias, fan it out, okay, done! Alright, next, quick marinade. We have our beef that we brined, we drained and rinsed it, and we marinated. Alright, next up, we're gonna build our sauce. Now very often, this dish would be prepared with oyster sauce. I didn't have any oyster sauce, but we're gonna use hoisin. Similar, not the same, a little sweeter. We won't add any extra sugar. Tiny drop of sesame oil. Tamari soy sauce, which is Japanese, naturally gluten-free. And the last thing, you'd use Shaoxing rice wine. If you don't have Chinese rice wine, dry sherry does the trick. Just 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Okay, it is showtime once again. All of our mise en place lined up. All right, we got our wok nice and hot. We're gonna add a couple tablespoons of oil. It should be smoking hot. And add your chopped up garlic, ginger, and the white parts of the scallions. All right, and then we're gonna add our drained, marinated beef. Give that a quick toss and then let it sit. You want the beef to brown. If you have a lot of meat, or if you're serving more than a couple people, do it in batches, right? You want the pan to stay hot, so if you throw in too much meat all at one time, it's going to steam and you won't get any caramelization. What would Guy Fieri say? All the kids in the pool, get your sauce in the pan. I add a little at a time so the pan stays hot. We're gonna thicken it up with a little of our cornstarch slurry. 2 minutes of cooking and we're done. That's it. Okay. Here, let's talk to the beautiful people. Alright, are you gonna eat dinner tonight or not tonight? So you saw, this all came together really fast. This is really just like good home cooking, but a lot better than what you could grab from the takeout place. The beef is super tender. Let me know how it goes. Send me a comment, right? Send me a recipe request. I'm here for you. I got nothing else to do. Look at that. Wow. A master, a natural. Whoops. Good thing it's not real food. We'll see you next week. Done!